Herbs for toothache. Hi, welcome back to Naturel. Always remember that an excellent medicine is to laugh, so why not laugh a bit to relax that toothache? Do you know? What did the rug say to the floor? If you don't know, I will tell you at the end of this video. And before we start, click the subscription button and the notification bell, so you do not miss on future videos. Now, let's see which herbs will help us with toothache. A toothache can bring severe pain. It signals a problem with a tooth or gum and needs to be looked at by a dentist. If you can't get to a dentist immediately, however, you can help ease the pain with an herbal remedy. Clove essential oil is a strong natural pain reliever. Used topically, buy clove essential oil at the health food store. Apply with a clean cloth or hold on the affected tooth with a cotton swab. Hold on for a few minutes, and it will gently numb the area. Turmeric. This spice is known as an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and it helps fight infection. You can mix the spice with water to form a paste and dab onto the tooth. Chamomile will help soothe the aching tooth and calm your nerves as well. It is known to fight infection and promotes healing. It is very safe to use. Drink as a tea or use the tea as a mouth rinse. So, still thinking what did the rug say to the floor? I got you covered. We appreciate you supporting us by subscribing, liking, commenting. Thanks for watching.